Hey there, clean eating crew. Welcome back. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of eggplants. Yep, that's right. Those glossy purple beauties hiding in the produce section hold some amazing secrets you won't want to miss out on. So grab a pen and paper, because by the end of this video, you'll be running to the store. Nutritional powerhouse. Let's kick things off with the nutritional breakdown, shall we? Eggplants are low in calories, but high in fiber, making them a great addition to any weight loss journey. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, K, B6, potassium, and folate. Talk about a nutritional powerhouse. Heart health champion. Now, let's talk about heart health. Eggplants contain compounds called anthocyanins, which have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Incorporating eggplants into your diet could be just what the doctor ordered for a healthier heart. Antioxidant superstar. Get ready to fight off those pesky free radicals with eggplants. These purple gems are loaded with antioxidants, specifically niacin, which helps protect your cells from damage. So, next time you're looking for a tasty way to boost your antioxidant intake, reach for an eggplant. Versatile culinary delight. But wait, there's more. Eggplants are not only nutritious, but incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From classic dishes like eggplant parmesan to trendy recipes like eggplant fries or stuffed eggplants, the possibilities are endless. You can bake it, fry it, grill it, or even roast it to perfection. And there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of eggplants are simply undeniable. From their nutritional value to their versatility in the kitchen, eggplants are a must-have in any healthy diet. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some eggplants and get ready to experience a whole new world of deliciousness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, happy cooking!